Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials, bringing you the Exotic Wreath knot. Because we're going to keep it exotic, we're going to keep it interesting, we're going to keep it different. So, let's go ahead and get this thing started. This is at my left side. Again, it's at the same spot as it's been in the past. Belly button, belt line area in between there. Going to come over here, going to put this dimple in. Come over. Going to go up and over. And I am going to bring it around like so. I'm going to come in, I'm going to fold this in half, I'm just going to put this through here. This is just the way I want to do it. You can do it however you want. And I'm just going to start the wreath like so. So I want to make that wreath there a little bit different. A little bit bigger, I should say. I'm going to come over here. We're going to do a wreath here. We're going to come through here like this. I'm going to do it around here like so. Then come through here, doing the wreath the whole time. And then tuck that underneath that wreath. I'm going to put my collar down. You want this to kind of look exotic, so it doesn't have to look all symmetrical or anything like that. It can, I mean, it kind of does, but you want it to look kind of exotic and out there. The Exotic Wreath knot. So again, like, subscribe, share this with your friends, hit that bell notification so you know when more videos are coming. Owner and style, my friends, your favorite thing one of you made. See you in the next video.